Hey, what's going on, guys? What's up? It's your girl Chanel. Welcome back to my video. Y'all haven't seen me for some time. It's Vlogmas Day number 19. I've literally been gone for a week. Yeah, so just wasn't into it. We actually had a loss in our family and I just did not want to record. So I have been recording, but my mood in the video was just, it was not it, sis. It was not it. And I just felt like I would scrap the content. I mean, I do have some of it still on my phone, but you could just tell I just was not in the mood, and I really don't want to come out and put that kind of content out on my channel. So, you know, if you guys really want me to upload that video, those videos, I will. If not, we'll just start from day 19. Right now, I'm cooking. What are you doing? I am cooking right now. I'm almost done. I'm really just frying the plantain right now and making my gravy for my food. So once I'm done, I will come back. Okay guys, so I'm getting ready to go drop off dinner to my mom and stepdad. So I cooked, I'm saying, oh, look at the lights. I just added new lights to my living room. Those LED lights that change colors. Like, look at this. Hold on. Hey Google, change the lights to magenta. Yes. Now we have a bit of magenta purple. So cute. Anyways, I'm going to go, be quiet, go. I'm going to go pack, have dinner for them. I'm gonna go drop it off so they don't have to cook tonight. Oh, and I'm gonna run to Walmart because I need to pick up something. So I will be back. I'm not going to be doing too much today. Like I said, I haven't really been in the mood to vlog. I'm not going to hold you to it, but I decided that I'm going to upload this video. It's not going to be a long vlog, but I'll see you once I'm at Walmart. All right, guys. Just about to get to my mom's and drop off this food. Yo, honestly, the Titus has teched me like, holy. Let me make sure. Hello. Good evening. Mommy, come. Okay. Ooh. Where are you? Where's Brother Henry? Oh, you're eating. So I'm gonna let me make the rice in for.
No, I want the rice.
Okay.
I'm gonna do hungry.
All right. Tired, man. Time for me to head to Walmart. Yo. It's the bonnet for me, okay? Like, seriously. Sorry. Child. Alright. Fam's in the car. She already started eating it. She already started eating. She walks her. Oh, you want to see Grandpa? God,
What about Grandpa?
he's playing dominoes.
That place?
I don't know.
Yeah, of course, at that place.
All right, guys, I'm gonna head to Walmart. I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm heading into Walmart now. Tired. Do I need a cart? Do I need a cart? Let me grab one. Oh. Let me get cleaning products. Spray down. Wipe down my cart. Listen. Alright. Listen. Throw some garbage. I need to pick up a few things. I really want that shortbread cookie. I still haven't been able to find it, guys. Okay. Let's see. Oh, chocolates. No. I don't need wrapping. Alright guys, let's go, Uriah. Just gonna get home. Give me a sec. It's just me and little man. You okay? Go. Walk through. It's just me and little man. Malachi didn't want to come. He wanted to stay at my grandma's house, so come, Uriah. It's just me and the baby. Go, go, go. Let's go. Are you ready? Whoop. Say hi. He's so rude. So gets feisty, you know. Don't touch that. Oh Lord. Don't touch anything. Anyways, guys, once I get upstairs, I picked up a few stuff from Walmart. Don't look at the chocolate. Don't watch that. It is not what it is, okay? No. I cooked. I need to do dishes. Stop. Alright, we're waiting for the elevator. Alright, guys. I'll be back. Okay, go. Let's go in. Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. And put your shoes underneath. You know where your shoes supposed to go? Let's go wash our hands. Go to the bathroom, straight to the bathroom. We gotta wash our hands now, okay? Anyways, guys, just got in. He's already getting ready to wash his hands. All right. Gotta wash our hands. Wait, oops. Leave that out the way. Grab the soap. Open your hands up. Good boy. No, you need more water, soap. So put your hands together. Good boy. Good boy, Papa. Wash. This is the way we wash our hands. Wash our hands. Wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands every single day. Some more soap right here. Good boy. Okay, get down. Get down. Dry your hands. All right, I gotta wash my hands. Bring it. Bring the bag. Anyways, guys. I need to straighten up, but I can't straighten up with him being up. So what I'm gonna do is probably just give him some me time. Come, bring it. Bring the chocolate. Give him some me time. Come sit down. Probably watch a movie with him. Okay, come sit beside mommy. Let's go. Come. What are we gonna watch? You wanna watch something together and cuddle? He's literally just pointing at this chocolate. That's all he wants, okay? You have to be careful. Are you trying to get a chocolate? No, Daddy. You want chocolate? Okay, mommy will open it. It's okay. I'll get it. He literally wants chocolate. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna watch a movie with him and then get him to sleep, and then I will probably do the rest of my cleaning and everything else that's needed for me to do. So let me go ahead and do that, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Later, guys.